Welcome to Pro News Flash. Cryptocurrency is in no rush to create momentum. Bitcoin needs a new driver, and it might just get one. Let's dive into the latest developments. Bitcoin is behaving unusually. U.S. stock indices are rising thanks to American corporations adapting to tariffs and a ruling by the Court of International Trade declaring those tariffs illegal. Michael Saylor's strategy and the companies mimicking it are attracting billions of dollars to buy cryptocurrency. A capital inflow of $6.35 billion into the iShares Bitcoin Trust by BlackRock marked a record in history. The ETF's holdings have grown to $71 billion. Meanwhile, Congress is reviewing a bill on stablecoins. The environment is favorable, but instead of climbing, BTC-USD prices are falling. Bitcoin faces several hidden obstacles. The U.S. trade wars with China and the EU aren't over. S&P 500 valuations remain historically high. The court's decision on tariff illegality adds uncertainty to business planning, and investors are noticing that stocks of crypto-invested companies are growing more slowly than Bitcoin. Rumors are circulating that the stablecoin legislation won't improve the state of digital assets. The gray market led by Tether isn't going anywhere, and smaller U.S. banks may face bankruptcy threats. Donald Trump promised to make America the crypto capital of the world. But due to the White House's protectionist policies, the market is growing wary of all things American. The S&P 500 is trailing behind European stock indices. Foreign investors are dumping U.S. Treasury bonds, pushing yields higher. The dollar is falling and Bitcoin isn't immune. It's now under pressure from capital flight out of a region that had previously been crypto-friendly. BTC-USD bulls aren't rushing to act. The upcoming May U.S. jobs report may reveal signs of a cooling labor market and broader economic slowdown. If so, recession risks will increase, risk appetite will decline, and Bitcoin may come under further pressure. On the flip side, strong data could trigger a new wave of buying in digital assets. Stay with Pro News for more updates on what's happening in the crypto markets. Like, share, and subscribe.